Hey, good morning, my friends. What up? Time for a cup of coffee. This is Coffee with Len, for those of you who didn't know that, but I doubt there's very many of you who don't. It's a Sunday morning. You can see it's a beautiful day, absolutely gorgeous, not a cloud in the sky, the ocean's calm. So I asked you this morning, do you do really dumb things like I do? So, yesterday I decided I was going to make a couple of new recipes that I've never made before. Um, for those of you who are curious, a lot of times I make bean soup with ham hocks, but I wanted to use some smoked turkey legs, and I also wanted to make a dish that's called butter chicken. It's really an Indian dish. You need some ingredients for it. So I diligently and carefully made my store list of the things that I didn't have, that I needed to go get. Some of it's perishables, carrots, celery, that sort of thing, onions. And I went to the store. First I went to the farmer's market in town. And there's this farmer's market every Saturday, and I got the veggies I needed, most of them. And then I went to a couple of other stores, pick up any loose items that I still needed, and I brought them home. Now, notice in my telling of this story, I told you that I carefully made a store list. I put it in my pocket. It was in my pocket. But I didn't review it in the store. I came home. Now you know where this is going. Some big birds flying around. You know where this is going. I got home, unpacked everything, and then I looked at the store list that was in my pocket the whole time and realized I had left out a major ingredient. One thing that without it, the butter chicken wasn't going to be the same recipe. It was going to be something else. And so, having spent all that time going to these different stores in the farmer's market, I was really felt frustrated when I realized that I didn't have everything I needed. And I had two choices. One is not make it, and the other is to go back to the store sometime between then and making it. So I was going to marinate the chicken overnight, but I didn't, and I didn't go back to the store yesterday. But there's a moral to the story, and it has something to do with going to the store, but it has more to do without checking our list in general. We go through life, and we want to do something, and we might even make a list. We might make a list of our goals. We might write down what we want to accomplish, but then we don't check our list. And we forget something that we put on our list. How often do we do that? So, if you want to achieve something in life, and here's my moral of the story. If you want to achieve something in life, first thing you have to do is write it down. Without a list, you'll never remember to do it. And the second thing you have to do is remember to read the damn list. So, people that teach how to set goals and achieve results will tell you that you need to, if there's something you want to accomplish, you need to write it on 50 different post-it notes and stick it everywhere so it's in front of your nose continuously and you see it all the time. You can't just put the list in your pocket and forget about it. If you do that, you're going to make more trips to the store. It's that simple. And you're going to get through life without accomplishing your goals. It's that simple. And I've learned this over and over and over again. How many times do I need to get hit over the head with a 4x4 before I remember to read my list? Anyhow, it's a beautiful day. I hope you're going to have a wonderful day. I hope you're planning to be happy. I am. Even if I have to go to the store again, I'm still going to be happy. So, the positive side of looking at that is I have a car with gas in it and a store nearby, and it's really not a big deal. It's just a minor inconvenience. And remember to be compassionate. The world needs a whole lot more of that. We'll talk to you again real soon. This has been Coffee with Len. Bye for now.